back. So we just proved with this that we can actually now get in here. It doesn't get in here until we actually have all the IDs created in the database. So that's sweet. Now we can just take all the code down here that creates the actual customer, and then we'll be sure if we take this code and copy it in instead of the console log, then we are sure that when this is actually called now, the address IDs will be populated. And that means that now it should actually really, for real, create the customer inside the backend with the right IDs. Now we can make this even better because right now we have 2 subscribes, but we'll make that better in the next video. Let's just see if it works. Notice again, all I'm doing is just, I've copied in all the code for creating the customer inside the fork join subscribe call, because then I know that now the IDs are actually generated before we get in here. But that's asynchronous methods for you, and if you do not make a proper backend, you'll have to fix this in your front end like I'm doing right here. And sometimes, like with microservices, this will make a lot of sense. So if you end up working with microservices, this is how you'll do it in the Angular app. I won't talk more about that right now. So exciting time, let's try and see if this actually works now. Building a customer, let's call him something real now. Lazo, his last name is Boink, and he lives on Elf Street. That's a great street. Number 22 Tute there, inside Santa Town. Okay, it doesn't matter. It's more readable now. So we're adding that address, and let's just add another address here, and I'm just lazy now because it takes too much time in the video if I have to figure out stuff. There we go. So now we have 3 addresses. We'll do the save, and hopefully it's actually created this time. So let's try and see if the customer actually got his addresses now, finally. And here we have the Lazu Monjura, and the addresses are there. We sent the addresses to the backend using a fork join and multiple requests. That's a bad thing, but still we got them all to the backend and they're actually stored now. So that's perfect. So see you in the next lesson where we kind of just wrap all of this up and have fun.